Skyhaven residence by BLANKPAGE architects in GHOUMA, Lebanon. Situated on a spectacular hilltop in the Batroun region, the site overlooks a lush green valley with vistas towards the sea. Programmatically, the project consists of two houses within one envelope, one for the client and another for his parents. In light of the topography and the scenic context, the house is envisioned as a balcony/belvedere in nature. Plan-wise, the house espouses the contours of the topography with an arc shape that embraces the full range of the panorama. To reduce the impact of excavation and retaining walls on such a steep site, the project consists of two floors projecting from the cliff by means of concrete corbels. The lower disc, more solid, accommodates the bedrooms of both houses, separated/connected by a meditation room referencing Japanese architecture with a raised wooden platform surrounded by greenery on three sides. On top of that, the living areas and open kitchens, fully glazed, enjoy unhindered views. By sliding the aluminum bays, the internal spaces become external, thus enhancing the feeling of living on a balcony. The common entrance to both houses is a semi-covered external space that acts simultaneously as a multi-purpose space that commonly caters to the family's spontaneous gatherings. An arrival platform with an infinity pool above and a car park below mediates between the access road and the main house by means of a ramp. The pool deck also connects via a bridge to the roof of the villa, which serves as an additional open-air lounge. In terms of construction materials, the base of the villa consists of an inner fair-faced concrete shell and an outer corrugated concrete one that gives it a mineral effect, and serves as a backdrop for the rosemary plants stemming from the planters between the two shells. The upper level is of a hybrid steel and concrete construction with a wing-profiled roof clad in white composite aluminum panels. The landscape master plan is informed by both the geometry of the house and the topography of the site. Towards the valley, it radiates out of the villa, forming lawn terraces of varying width, which slowly disappear into the prairie-like vegetation. A semi-buried office pavilion is inserted underneath the largest terrace with a green roof and a retractable skylight. On the other side, it ripples upwards organically, first with terraces delineated by corten steel that become agricultural terraces with stone retaining walls. Powered by an array of solar panels, the house becomes fully autonomous during sunny weather, reinforcing the feeling of a peaceful and harmonious retreat nestled in nature.